producer and whatnot, sir. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here and thank you for doing this. पहली चीज एक ही सवाल है मेरे पास आपके लिए सर. Were you hesitant at any point where you thought कि historians or the audiences, how would they react to all of this?
No, firstly, thank you everybody for being here today. No, to answer your question, never. In fact, there are various times that I've heard stories that are true stories of valor and bravery, of unsung heroes, of stories embedded in the archives of history that haven't been portrayed on celluloid. It took me back to a few instances, a few stories that came on my table, and I immediately reacted. The very first film was Razi. I still remember the brave story of Sehmat, who actually fought an unsung battle, a story that you did not hear of. Razi went on to kind of prove that true stories that resonate so gorgeously, beautifully, and bravely, just like Razi did, can truly strike a chord with an audience globally. Ghazi attack that came again, which was related and linked to Razi in a certain sense, because they both dealt with the same intel that actually made us win a war, a battle. Kesri, the very first Kesri, the brave battle of Saragiri, where actually 21 valiant and brave Sikh soldiers fought till the evening, a battle that people thought would end in seconds and minutes, but went on till the evening because of the bravery, the valor. And then this absolutely outstanding story of C. Shankaran Nair, based on the book, The Case That Shook the Empire, a man who actually nearly brought the reputation of the crown down, literally to their knees. A battle we didn't know about. We knew the massacre, but none of us knew the truth, that behind the scenes there was this brave battle fought by this brave man. And that story just deeply resonated, because every time we have watched the tragedy, the travesty of that terrifying massacre, you know, we felt the pain, we felt the anger, we still feel the anger. Because what makes us all angry, and that's what came through in this beautiful screenplay, was the fact that there isn't an apology even now. No one has apologized, neither the crown, nor the monarchy, nor the British government. All of us, of course, know about the British Raj. We've come out of that valiantly as a country, but we, as a nation, are deserved an apology. And this film demands for just that.
You've said it, sir. You've said it. Karan sir के लिए एक बार तालियां हो जाएं. तालियां इस चीज को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए नहीं, बल्कि इसलिए क्योंकि वो ब्रेवरी दिखाई एज अ प्रोडक्शन स्टूडियो, इसको आप सब तक पहुंचाने के लिए एक और इंसान जो कि आई थिंक उनके साथ बिल्कुल कंधे से कंधा मिला के खड़े रहे हैं अभी भी और आगे भी खड़े रहेंगे. अपूर्वा मेहता साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. प्लीज गिव इट अप फॉर हिम, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. Apurva sir, thank you so much. You know, I'll be thanking each and every member of this team for bringing this for the audiences. Kesari Chapter 2. लियो मीडिया कलेक्टिव बोलूं, केप ऑफ गुड फिल्म्स बोलूं, जब इनके साथ ये कोलैबोरेशन हो रही थी, जब इसकी शुरुआत हो रही थी, तब किस टाइप के डिस्कशंस हो रहे थे कि ये बनाने about that?
So I think like this is, you know, when you read a script on the table, there are very few scripts that come that really inspire you and really shake you up in a sense, and this was one of them. And like he rightly said, Kesri, Razi, and of course now Kesri 2. Working with Leo Media has been a dream. They are friends and they're an extremely talented bunch of people. They have worked so relentlessly hard. It's been a 4-year journey, and thanks to Akshay sir also, who's been so supportive. And I think the whole team is, it's just been an incredible ride. And we are so happy to be able to make this film and let people see this chapter of history that a lot of us don't know about.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I'd like to invite on stage the director Saab of this film, ladies and gentlemen, Karan Singh Tyagi. Give it up for him. The young man who's all set to present something exceptional. Thank you so much for being here. एक छोटी सी चीज आपसे जानना चाहूंगा. जब we talk about this massacre, you know, कहीं ना कहीं वो एकदम मूड अपने आप बड़ा सॉम्बर सा हो जाता है. When you revisit it, जिस भी अंदाज में, of course, कोर्ट रूम ड्रामा चल रहा है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं उसका वो बैकड्रॉप में वो पूरा मैसेकर है. तो तब क्या चल रहा था? How was it revisiting the entire thing?
So it's a very somber moment of Indian history. तो जब हम revisit कर रहे थे, हमारे लिए एक चीज बहुत जरूरी थी कि we have to be sensitive to what happened. We have to be very authentic to what happened. And for me, this film is honoring the sacrifice of people who passed away at Jallianwala Bagh. As Akshay sir and I keep discussing, they came to celebrate Baisakhi, but they left as martyrs. So that feeling is what we try to capture. So for us, for me, the film is honoring the sacrifice of people who died at Jallianwala Bagh and honoring the sacrifice of one of India's forgotten heroes, Shankar Nair.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing that. And now, ladies and gentlemen, would like to invite on stage Mr. Akshay Kumar. Zordar Taliyan, please. We have to, give it up for him. The reason being, every single time we see him on the big screen, वो कुछ कर जाते हैं. Sir, Akshay sir, एक छोटा सा सवाल कि जब, of course, we know you give it your all हर बार जब आप कुछ कैरेक्टर निभाते हैं, but जब देश की बात होती है, इस तरह के किसी व्यक्ति की बात होती है, तब वो एक्स्ट्रा कितना क्या आता है, प्लीज उसके बारे में बताइए.
ऐसा है कि नमस्कार सारे, आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. आप सब यहाँ आए, सुबह सुबह आए, और अनन्या पांडे भी आए. जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए. वैसे आपको बता दूं, वो शूटिंग कर रही थी और शूटिंग से सीधे आई है. सो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. थैंक यू वेरी मच अनन्या.
वो भी हमारी फिल्म है तो मैं कुछ कह भी नहीं सकता.
अगर किसी और की भी होते तो भी क्या कह लेते. अच्छा, तो हम बात कर रहे थे जलियांवाला बाग. ये जो कहानी है, इट हैज़ अ वेरी स्पेशल मीनिंग टू मी. मैं पहले भी एक बार कह चुका हूँ, अभी आप यहाँ फिर मैं दोहराना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे फादर अमृतसर से थे, और मेरे ग्रैंडफादर ने ये जो जलियांवाला बाग का पूरा हादसा हुआ था, तो उन्होंने इसे देखा है, और वो उस वक्त थे, और मुझे नहीं बल्कि मेरे पिता को बहुत कहानियाँ सुनाई थी इसके बारे में, और मेरे पिता ने मुझे सुनाई थी. तो ये जो कहानी है, मुझे बचपन से इसके बारे में बहुत कुछ पता है. तो इट होल्ड्स अ वेरी स्पेशल थिंग विद मी. मेरे जहन में, मेरे दिमाग में ये हमेशा कहानी थी. तो जब मुझे करण त्यागी साहब ने मुझे कहानी सुनाई थी, तो उसी वक्त मैंने अपना फैसला कर लिया था और कहा था कि ये फिल्म ज़रूर करेंगे. तब एंड मैं करण जौहर जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि उन्होंने ये फिल्म में मुझे दी और मुझे मौका मिला इसके अंदर काम करने का. बाकी that's it.
Thank you so much, sir. Ananya, I have a quick question for you. के साथ वो कहीं ना कहीं when you watch the trailer or the teaser, वो हम थम जाते हैं. For you emotionally, how was it?
Firstly, I'm very sorry कि मैं late थी. I was shooting. When I read the script only, बहुत visceral reactions आ रहे थे. Everything was very emotional. बहुत सारे questions थे कि सच में ऐसा हुआ है. I'm not sure कि if they were arrested or no. पर जब हमने history में पढ़ा था, इतने सारे details कभी नहीं थे. शायद एक death count दी थी, हमें पता भी नहीं कि वो right है कि wrong है. तो हमने briefly पढ़ी थी history में, पर when I read the script and when I heard the script, मुझे बहुत सीखने को मिला इससे. And I think जो सबसे important बात जो मैंने सीखी वो है कि as the younger generation, हम freedom को बहुत lightly लेते हैं. We believe कि हाँ हमारा हक है. As we've grown up, we've been given freedom for everything. But when I read this script and I was a part of this film, मुझे वो weight लगा. जो sacrifices हमारी freedom के लिए जो पहले लोगों ने किया था, I really felt the weight of that, and I really understood that. And I don't think I'm the same person after being a part of this film.
Thank you so much for sharing that. 18th April is when this entire team is going to share this with all of you. फिलहाल के लिए करेगा मैं. We good? ठीक है, ये मेरा क्विक था ना. थैंक यू. ओके, आइए. सो नाउ वील टेक. हैव अ माइक ऑन यू. ओके, प्लीज पूछिए.
HT City. I have two-part questions. First, Akshay sir, Karan sir abhi said that there has been no apology since the event happened. And recently I saw a video of General Dyer's granddaughter where she was conversing with one of the victims' family, and she referred to them as looters. Have you seen that, firstly, the video? And if you have, like, how do you think is that justified for on their part to kind of use those kind of terms? Because they are saying that history is history.
I know. Yes, to answer your question, I have seen that video. I want to tell you that not just as an Indian, not just as a humanitarian, but just as anyone who has even an iota of empathy or an iota of humanity within yourself, it will anger you. I don't want to mince my words. I don't want to be diplomatic in my answer. And I certainly don't want to beat around the bush when I say, how ridiculous was she to say that? And how dare she? She was calling those thousands of people looters. They were innocent people who conglomerated there, right there, on that was what was meant to be an auspicious day of Baisakhi, thinking something else was going to be the eventuality of the day, and look what happened. By admission, General Dyer has said that he only stopped shooting when the bullets ran out. And she went on in that interview to say that he loved India and all kinds of things, and how that he had the greatest compassion. What love can you have in your heart when your actions only spoke of hate? And the fact that she is living in a la-la land of her own and is in some delusion of her own, and I don't know her, haven't met her, and I don't wish to meet her. But the fact that she even said those things just makes me so angry on a humanitarian level. खून खौलता है जब मैंने वो वीडियो देखा कि the fact that she had such disdain for one of the biggest genocides in the history of our nation and the history of the world, and the fact that she was so disdainful of it made me just angry, made me want and demand an apology even more.
I think we all deserve. Akshay sir, you have had a lot of films, and while you have been the receiving end of criticism for that as well, but you have continued to do so. What is the driving force behind it? And does it? I'm sure you are used to the online trolls or like people who are just sitting behind the screen, kind of criticizing you for those choices. But when that kind of criticism comes from within the industry, does that hurt?
क्रिटिसाइजिंग मुझे नहीं लगता है किसी ने क्रिटिसाइज किया है वो फिल्मों को। कोई बेवकूफ़ी होगा जो क्रिटिसाइज करेगा। जैसे फिल्म बनाई है मैंने, पैडमैन बनाई है, आप ही बता दीजिए। जैसे टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा है, एयरलिफ्ट है, केसरी 1 बनाई थी, केसरी 2 है, ऐसी बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं। तो कोई बेवकूफ़ी होगा जो इस फिल्मों को क्रिटिसाइज करेगा। मैंने अपने दिल से बनाई है, और एक फिल्म है जो कि लोगों को बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताती है, समझाती है। कोई भी फिल्म हो, तो मुझे नहीं लगता किसी ने क्रिटिसाइज किया है।
So recently, Jaya Bachchan ma'am has said that because of the toilet name, she has said that I will not watch that film.
अब अगर उन्होंने कहा है तो फिर सही होगा, मुझे नहीं पता।
Okay.
अगर टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा एक ऐसी फिल्म बना के मैंने कोई गलत काम किया है, तो फिर अगर वो कह रही हैं तो सही होगा।
Okay. And I just wanted to get your reaction also on the video that Karan has just responded to.
देखिए, one nation's trauma is other nation's lesson. That is what she never understood. That's why she keeps on saying history है, history भूल जाओ, खत्म हो गई। I don't think so. She has understood the lesson also, what has gone through it. As what Karan has said, it's absolutely, I appreciate it, and the way he said it also is absolutely right. And you will see that whole thing, the anger, by the time the film comes to the climax, you will understand how much anger there was. And I would rather say that you watch the film to see the anger.
Thank you so much, sir. And thank you for bringing this story.
अक्षय सर, पूर्वा सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन आप दोनों से। सबसे पहले अक्षय सर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, आज की सोशल मीडिया जनरेशन और उस समय की जो युवा पीढ़ी है, दोनों में आपको क्या फर्क लगता है जब बात देशभक्ति की आती है?
सॉरी, वापस बोलना, क्या कह रहे हैं?
इस समय की जो सोशल मीडिया जनरेशन है, फॉर एग्जांपल हम जैसे जेनजी जनरेशन कहते हैं, और उस समय की जो युवा पीढ़ी थी, आपको इन दोनों में क्या फर्क लगता है जब बात देशभक्ति की आती है?
उस वक्त जो जितना, बिकॉज जैसे अनन्या ने कहा कि फ्रीडम, उसका वैल्यू उन्हें ज्यादा थी, हमें इतनी नहीं है। आहिस्ते आहिस्ते वो चीज़ बढ़ रही है इस युवा के अंदर, इस पीढ़ी के अंदर बढ़ रही है। जैसे जैसे मैं देखता हूँ कभी कभी मेरे सोशल मीडिया के फीड पे बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं जो देशभक्ति के काफ़ी चीज़ें दिखती हैं। लेकिन उस वक्त जो था, उस वक्त इफ आई वुड से 10 आउट ऑफ 10 था। लोग जो जितनी परसेंटेज लोगों के अंदर वो था कि हमें किसी भी हालत में हमें कैसे भी करके फ्रीडम हासिल करनी है। तो उस टाइम वैल्यू फ्रीडम की बहुत थी। अब आहिस्ते आहिस्ते बढ़ती जा रही है, लोग समझना चाहते हैं, देखना चाहते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है। That's it.
अगर आपको लगता है कि जनरल डायर जैसा फिर से कोई अन्याय अगर हो तो आजकल की युवा पीढ़ी उसका प्रतिरोध कर पाएगी जैसे पहले किया गया था?
उससे भी बुरा करेगी। वो तो वहां तक उस वक्त तो फिर भी हमारे हाथ में कुछ नहीं था। इस वक्त तो हमारे साथ सामने और हमारे देश के कोर्ट्स हैं, पुलिस हैं, आर्मी हैं, तो वो जो वो करेगी हालत वो देखने लायक भी नहीं होगा।
थैंक यू सर।
हाय अक्षय सर।
अपूर्वा सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे भी है दूसरा।
Yes.
आफ्टर ब्लॉकबस्टर्स लाइक केसरी, गुड न्यूज, आप फिर से अक्षय सर के साथ आ रहे हैं, तो ऐसी कौन सी बात है, कौन सी चीज है जो आपको अक्षय सर तक खींचकर ही ला देती
आप सेल्फी भूल गए।
है? सर सेल्फी।
1 out of 3 is not bad. So I think over the years you've really built a very strong working relationship with Akshay sir, you know, because of based on trust and a creative alignment. I think anybody who knows Akshay sir and anybody who's worked with him will echo that, you know, he's extremely professional, hardworking. He's a very creatively involved actor, and he makes the entire shoot such a pleasurable experience. He is as an individual and as an actor, he is so connected with all demographics, with all age groups, and very honestly spoken. You know, Kesari 2 has only been possible with Akshay. So thank you, sir, and we hope to do many more Kesaris with him and many more other films also with him.
Hi Akshay sir, over here towards your left. Sir, how are you sir?
Hi Himesh, how are you? बोलो।
Sir, my question to you is, when we speak of apology, recently Mr. Bob Blackman, I think, has appealed to the British government to apologize for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. How do you view the fact that people are finally waking up after over 100 years to this incident? And of course, I know British deserves to apologize to India. So what do you have to say about that?
I think lots of things will change. I'm not here with a begging bowl to say they should say sorry. But I want them to at least watch this movie and realize the mistake. Baki, the other things will flow automatically from their mouth. Because it is bound, the apology is bound to happen. It will flow on its own. But I just want them to watch this film. That is what. I want the British government to watch the film. I want King Charles to watch the film. Then they should see it, what happened. I'm not saying, but the rest will follow automatically.
Let's hope the film leaves an impact. And Karan sir, my question to you is, how do you plan, what are your plans for release of Kesari? Because, you know, films like this require a specific release strategy. So what's your strategy for bringing Kesari on the big screen?
I think that this is actually the beginning of our distribution arm, as Dharma Distribution's first Hindi film will start. And I think that there can't be a better beginning. Of course, we realize we're cognizant of the times and we know. But you know, I have a feeling that when a film is this powerful and has this kind of intensity and this kind of communication to an audience, we keep putting films into boxes. ये multiplex की film है, ये single film की picture है, ये tier 1 की film है, tier 2. हम सब सोचते हैं कि हम सब समझते हैं और हम सब जानते हैं. Analysts बहुत हैं, communicate करने वाले बहुत हैं, social media में सबकी opinions हैं, and I respect them all because it's a democratic nation. But I want to say, किसी को कुछ पता नहीं कि उस Friday पे क्या होगा. Only an audience will decide. Audience ही राजा और audience ही मालिक और audience ही सब कुछ. तो हम जितने भी strategy बना ले, वो Friday सब कुछ बदल सकता है. And I'm quite sure ये Friday सब कुछ बदलेगा.
Hello, on this side. Hello, hi. This is Amar from Amarazi. My first question is for Karan, the director Karan. And I have one more question. So my question is this.
So feel that pride.
A bit of trivia, I have to say that there is one particular scene, I won't tell you which one, no spoilers here. There's one particular scene that Ananya has shot 4 times. Yeah. Not because of her, because the scene kept evolving and changing. And just to show that the instinct of an artist is so strong that what is in the film is the very first time she shot it.
Yeah, the original
So
one.
the second, third, and fourth time was a little bit of her time that may have been wasted.
It's all right.
And we apologize. Yours too, you're in the scene.
Hello. Yeah, this is Rajiv here. Yeah. My question is for Karan. See, there is a very fierce performance, so to speak, from R. Madhavan, who's not here. Could you shed some light on what kind of character or role he's doing in the film?
Yeah. Oh, to Karan? To Karan.
Any
Karan,
Karan.
Karan, you take it.
So Madhavan sir plays the role of the Crown's lawyer. So the Crown engaged the top lawyer of the country to take on Shankaran Nair, and we meet him at a time when he's drinking away his legacy, but the Crown energizes him, and then he proves to be the most capable adversary to Shankaran Nair. So he is a canny as a fox, and he's very fierce. He will leave no stone unturned in defeating Shankaran Nair. For that, I urge you to see the film. Because his character deals with that dilemma.
अक्षय सर, आपके लिफ्ट में अमित फ्रॉम दैनिक भास्कर. या अक्षय सर, क्या मतलब सिनेमा में एज अ सॉफ्ट पावर इतनी ताकत है कि वो मतलब अंग्रेजी हुकूमत से वो अपील करवा सके, वो लोग हिंदुस्तानियों से माफी मांग सकें?
नहीं, हमारी कोशिश तो रहनी चाहिए ना, चाहे वो कितनी सॉफ्ट पावर हो या कितनी हार्ड पावर हो, जो भी है, जैसा भी है, हमारी कोशिश है. जब मैं बहुत सारी और भी फिल्में बनाता हूँ, वो सिर्फ एक कोशिश रहती है. आज टॉयलेट भी ले लो, टॉयलेट एक प्रेम का था, वो कोशिश थी कि हर घर में एक शौचालय होना चाहिए. वो फिल्म आज भी सरकार कई जगहों पे, कई गांव में, कई जगह पे ये फिल्म फ्री दिखाती है. पैडमैन थी, सैनिटरी पैड के ऊपर फिल्म बनाई थी. वो एक पावर है कि एक बेटी अपने बाप से बात कर सकती है सैनिटरी पैड के बारे में, कि उसे कह सकती है कि पिताजी जब आते वक्त मेरे पीरियड शुरू हुए हैं, आप पैड्स ले आइएगा. ये तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, ऐसी चीज़ें हैं. तो इसमें भी मैं समझता हूँ, चाहे वो जितनी भी सॉफ्ट पावर हो, छोटी पावर हो, जो भी हो, ज़रूर ये होता है कहीं ना कहीं किसी को जाके कॉन्शियस में लग सकती है. हम वेट कर रहे हैं कि किसी को लगे ये बात. मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ. इन्होंने जनरल डायर का रोल प्ले किया. इन्होंने मुझे एक बात कही थी, जब इनको भी सब पता चला, और इनको तो काफ़ी कुछ पता था जनरल डायर के बारे में, तो उन्होंने मुझे सिर्फ एक ही बात बोली थी, ही वॉज अ बीप होल, दैट्स इट. अब आप समझ लीजिए क्या बोला होगा. सो ऐसे मैं बताऊं, बहुत सारे अंग्रेज़ों को, even I'm talking about Jennifer also.
Yes.
She's my coach, and like she's a British girl, and she knows about it. She's been there, so they all feel for it.
So Jennifer, when we were reading the script to her, she had tears in her eyes, and she had tears in her eyes, and she had tears of anguish that she didn't know that this is what happened. And on apology, I would like to say one thing. General Dyer fired upon innocent people. But what did the government, the crown, the empire do? They tried to protect him. They labeled the people as terrorists. So it was at a government level that everyone tried to protect him. So when the conversation of apology comes up, errors are made, but the government can never support and label innocent people as terrorists. So that needs to be rectified.
एंड अक्षय सर, ये किरदार रह गया या फिर नहीं, मतलब बहुत जल्दी आप उससे बाहर निकल गए थे?
मतलब अभी रहेगा या
नहीं, मतलब शूट के बाद, या मतलब
शूट के बाद,
या जस्ट
शूट के बाद तो अभी तक चल ही रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि किरदार मैं कोई प्ले करता हूँ, उसके बाद फिल्म रिलीज होने के बाद जो भी होता है उसके बाद भूल जाता हूँ. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. आज भी मेरे को मौका मिलता है, मैं बहुत सारी जो पुरानी फिल्में हैं मेरी, उसके बारे में हमेशा गुफ्तगू करता हूँ, हमेशा बातें करता हूँ लोगों से.
And I'm sure ये किरदार सबके साथ भी रहने वाला है जब हम देखेंगे फिल्म को. लेकिन we'll take 2 more questions, ladies and gentlemen. जी.
हेलो. या अनन्या हियर. हाय.
बोलो बिना बोले. हाँ, थोड़ी आवाज वैसे ही बुलंद है, बोलो. बहुत सारी जो किताब हैगी है, द मैन हु शुक द एम्पायर, ਉਹ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਇਸ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰੀਬਨ 2-2.5 ਸਾਲ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰੇ ਨੇ I like my wife used to say get out to him like please go away now ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਆਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸਰ ਉਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਉਹ
प्रोड्यूसर और को राइटर हम
ਕੋ
साथ में
ਰਾਈਟਰ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਲੇ ਤੱਕ ਅੱਜ ਉਹ ਵਿਚਾਰਾ ਸੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੁਣ ਉਹਨੇ ਅੱਜ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਤੱਕ ਜਾਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀ ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਟ੍ਰਾਈਡ ਟੂ ਆਸਕ ਹਿਮ ਟੂ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਕਮ ਬਟ ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਨਿੰਦਰ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਰਾਤ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਲੇ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਬਸ sorry well the whole thing is the most surprising thing is the history don't tell us what we actually need to know that was very surprising and there are many things you yourself all the people of India would be surprised at what exactly was happening so everything was a surprise everything the detail every detail is being taken care of and it is going to be a very surprising thing what was happening
Yeah. Hello. Ananya. Yeah. Hi.
नहीं कुछ नहीं हाँ जी ਗ੍ਰੋਕ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ AI ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਲਪ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ
AI?
ਹਾਂ ਹੱਲੇ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਾਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਿਨਾ AI ਦੇ ਬਣਾ ਲਈ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ I think I may say my director is more intelligent than AI okay he has written it very beautifully as a screenplay and ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸਾਂ I want to tell everyone this is his first movie I'm sure you know it he by profession is a lawyer Cambridge right Harvard कोई भी है गलती हो गई sorry Harvard
कैम्ब्रिज में ही है मतलब उस जगह
ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਗਲਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲਿਆ ਫਿਰ ਇਹ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੱਸੇ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ okay so as you see matlab but he wanted to do this film first and he gave up his profession he wanted to be a director and this first film he wanted to ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਜਲਿਆਂਵਾਲਾ ਬਾਗ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਫਿल्म बनाना चाहना
और मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा सर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की बात करते हैं तो जब आप टर्मिनोलॉजी देख लो तो क्या कहता है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस लेकिन जो नेचुरल इंटेलिजेंस है उससे कौन लड़ सकता है आर्टिफिशियल तो आर्टिफिशियल ही रहेगा हमेशा
Hello. Yeah. Ananya, my hearty
so much of
congratulations.
stress for your next script now
So, yeah, Ananya, my hearty congratulations to you for having your role like this because I have seen you right from your growing years, you know, from last 25 years. And
25 years she's been working
yeah,
Like
so you're 25
yeah. Karan sir, this is yeah, here.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Coincidentally, 18th April happens to be Good Friday, where a religious tragedy is also observed, and it's a national holiday. So I would just like you to comment on this interesting coincidence that the film is being released on Good Friday.
Well, Good Friday, as you know, is a day that is lamented. But there was no synergy between trying to, release on something that is lamented, by anyone in this world. As producers, we are always looking for a Good Friday to release, and plus also the date was very close to commemorate the 106th year
the
of
massacre.
Jallianwala Bagh. So this was actually close to that date more than anything else.
Karan and Karan. Karan.
Hi,
Both
Bhakti.
Karan. Hi. Just recently made a web series called The Waking of a Nation, which was also based more or less on the same subject. So have you seen it and do you feel there are similarities and do you wish that hadn't come out before you did?
Ma'am, unfortunately, I haven't had the time to watch it, but I've heard great things about it.
Right.
And I feel the more stories, which bring out, the untold stories to light, more power to them.
Ram is a dear friend, and again, I haven't been able to actually see the show, but again, I've heard wonderful things. But whatever it takes to wake a nation, whether it's a show and a film or another show and a film, whatever it takes, the more the merrier, I think, where it comes to storytelling, that are compelling storytellings of unsung heroes.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. That's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen.
Anybody else?
it's-
बस खत्म
Thank you, Akshay sir.